Welcome back to Auto Express, your daily ride into the future. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Auto Rickshaw Express, smarter, cleaner, and faster than ever. Segment 1 as 0:15 to 1 o'clock, overview, show different models of 2025 rickshaws, electric versions, design upgrades, voiceover. 2025 is a big year for auto rickshaws. No longer just humble three-wheelers, today's models are loaded with tech, powered by electricity, and built for the demands of modern cities. Whether you're in Mumbai, Bangkok, or Nairobi, the Auto Rickshaw Express is changing the game. Segment 2 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, key features, close-ups of digital dashboards, GPS, solar roofs, lithium battery packs, voiceover. Let's talk features. The latest models come with electric powertrains offering over 150 kilometers range. Fast charging tech with 80% charge in under 45 minutes. Smart dashboards with GPS, fare meters, and even music systems. Eco-friendly builds using recycled materials and solar panels on the roof. Segment 3 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, driver-passenger experience. Interviews or dramatized scenes of happy drivers and passengers, voiceover. Drivers love the low maintenance and savings on fuel. And passengers? They enjoy cleaner rides, more legroom, and better ventilation. Some models even have Wi-Fi. Segment 4 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, market trends, future graphs, charts showing adoption rates, global markets. Voiceover. The global auto rickshaw market is booming, with EV variants leading the charge. Major companies like Mahindra Electric, Piaggio, and Bajaj are setting new standards, and startups are not far behind. By 2030, over 70% of auto rickshaws are expected to be electric,